The number density of molecules of gas depends upon the distance r from the origin. So there's an origin and the number density depends on the distance from the origin r. And how it is depending? It is given as n naught e power minus alpha r power 4. Then total number of molecules is proportional to. Total number of molecules you have to calculate. Now let's take a region. Okay. Suppose this is a region, up to this is infinity, this is 0. And somewhere in between we can take an elemental region where we can find the differential number of molecules in this elemental region. Okay. So if I say in 1 meter cube, the number of molecules are n. So in dV meter cube, the number of molecules will be n dV. That is how we calculate using unitary method. However, this n is variable. How it is given as? It is given as n naught e power minus alpha r power 4. And then we can calculate total number of molecules in dV region, that is dn n naught e power minus alpha r power 4. And dV for spherical, it is written as 4 pi r square dr. If volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, then dV can be calculated as 4 pi r square dr. Okay, that's one thing you can directly write. So dn is equals to 4 pi n naught, and we have integration of r square e power minus alpha r power 4 dr. That is what we have to calculate. Now how to calculate this part is we can take alpha r power 4 as t for alpha r cube dr as dt. That means we can keep r square dr as dt. But for that r square has to be calculated. R square dr is dt upon for alpha r. And then r can be written as for alpha. R can be written as t upon alpha power 1 by 4. Or we can also write, or you can directly write it here, 4 pi n naught. R square dr now becomes this dt divided by for alpha t upon alpha 1 by 4. And this becomes e power minus et from 0 say infinity. Now see, 4 can be removed and we have pi n naught and alpha you can see here. This is alpha power 1. This is alpha power 1 by 4. So this becomes alpha power 3 by 4. And left is 0 to infinity e power minus t dt. And we can also write t power 1 by 4. Further we can write pi n naught upon alpha power minus 3 by 4. Okay. And this becomes t power minus 1 by 4 e power minus t dt. Now this part is going to be a constant, because if you are integrating it within limits, which is a number, this part will be a constant. So, and pi is also a constant. So we got the value proportional to n naught e power minus, what is it written? N naught alpha minus 3 by 4. So this is the answer to the question. That's what is proportional to. We don't have to solve this. This function is a very typical one. We don't have to solve it because we have it within limits and it will come out to be a constant. So it's of no use. That's why they are asking proportional to. For proportional, the answer is n naught alpha minus 3 by 4.